Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the on before print. Those of you don't know what on before print is, when you're gonna print, just before you're gonna print, there is a event which gonna triggered. This is all about the on before print event. So on that time you can call a function, so a text, something like that. Just call a JavaScript, which we always do in HTML and JavaScript. So first, what we're gonna do is um, throw some tags. I already told that in before that I'm not gonna teaching you in this course the usually of your JavaScript, because that's too much of work, and this is the out of the course because I have a full-blown tutorial on my playlist. So when and here I'm gonna change into on before print, and it gonna call my function. This is the function name of our function, and this is gonna trigger when we before that we gonna print. So when we, if you are Windows, just press Ctrl plus P, and on Mac Command plus P, and when you click that, just before it gonna print, it gonna show that event. So first, if you can see here what I'm typing, so Command plus P. Just you are about to print this document. You are about to print this document. That means when this happen, it gonna trigger this function to call. So okay, and now you're gonna print. So this is all about that. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.